record him. Record him.
I can't see him, but I can hear him.
Okay, you recording?
One more?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Oh.
I can't put the captain back in the cooler.
I'm drinking it.
Nobody else is drinking.
I'm drinking
Mine.
it. I got another beer still. Hang on.
Done, Brad. No, fuck you.
Oh.
Just throw it on you.
I gotta finish this beer up. Hang on.
Get back in here, because I'm too tired to carry your ass and we'll pass out in the middle of the fucking yard. Well, fucking carry my ass over. Oh, fuck.
Stand up, Cax.
This is a lot of Captain I just drank.
I'm not drunk. I can stand up. Hey, Wilcox. I'm not drunk.
You lying sack of shit?
Yeah, I ain't no sack of shit. I'm a bag of shit.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Wilcox.
Yeah, but you still a general paper, whether it's plastic or paper, but you're shit in a bag.
You don't even know where you're at, dude.
I know, shut up.
Where you at?
I'm by the tent.
In what town?
Fucking Iowa somewhere.
Hey.
Where's that one girl? I didn't call that girl.
No, shut up, you ain't got her number.
I ain't gonna find it.
Melissa?
No.
No, fucking it's not Melissa.
Katie is
I want Melissa.
No, fucking leave Katie alone. Matt, or,
No, that's her name.
Cax, take his phone away.
That's her name.
No, it's not Katie.
Katie.
She's from Iowa. It's her name.
She's a fat.
Katie.
No, her name's Katie. She's from Iowa.
Katie's a fat fucker.
No, that's her name from Iowa.
No, Katie.
Ah!
No, Katie's a fat fucker.
Hey.
Hammock. I'm calling Tyler Hammock.
Do it.
Phone number. You call Tyler Hammock in Nebraska.
Hey, Wilcox.
What?
I dropped the cap.
You gotta finish it then.
It's almost gone anyway. I just drank half the bottle, dude.
Hey, give me some.
No. I drank half the fucking bottle.
Bullshit.
No, I'm looking at it right now.
It was in the cooler. I was sitting on the cooler.
Wilcox, come here.
What?
I just drank fucking... Oh,
Shit.
I like these.
Where's that?
hey,
Let me see.
I gave this to you and it was pretty much
Holy
full.
fuck! Oh my god!
I just drank half a thing of Jack. No,
But let me feel it.
it was full when he gave it to me. I was like, whoa.
Oh, that's still got a lot in it.
It does. You don't need any more. Where's the fucking cap?
I don't know where is the cap.
I dropped it right around
Oh,
here.
you fucking dropped it. Shit. Where's the flashlight?
I don't have my contacts in anymore, so you guys are on your own. When the fuck did you take your contacts in? You guys are all fucking around out there.
You want to help me take mine out?
Well, you know what? You're not a very responsible DB.
Bitch.
That's right.
Oh shit.
I think I'm gonna
It's a
throw
beer.
Is it?
I thought that was a Dr. Pepper. It's a beer.
What's it say?
It's
It is a beer.
What does it say? Read it to me. Read it to me. Right there.
Bud
What's going
Light,
on?
dude. Bud Light.
Okay, good. Oh fuck.
Brad's crawling into Jason's shit.
Don't go into the barn. There's shit in the barn.
You're gonna crawl right into Jason's shit. I'm drunk. This is bad, dude.